My name is Justine Kaseman, and I'm a master's candidate at the University of Guelph in Dr. Ryan Norris's lab, and I study the endangered Jefferson salamander. My study is looking at road mortality in salamanders, and what I do for this study is I walk up and down the road looking for salamanders that have either been killed by cars or are living, and if they are living, we'll usher them safely across the road, and then we'll perform morphometrics on the salamander. And that just means we're weighing them, we're sexing them, and we're measuring them. During this, we also take a tail sample to be able to identify the salamander genetics later on. Some other methods we're using to capture the salamanders are pitfall traps, and then we also do minnow trapping to see if they're breeding in certain ponds or not. So that involves casting a minnow trap into the water, and the salamanders will eventually swim inside there when they're doing their mating dance. During the minnow trapping, we also find tadpoles that belong to either green or bullfrogs or eastern newts. My data will actually directly inform the conservation of this species by telling the traffic authority where the mortality hotspots are on these roads, which will enable them to install a wildlife corridor where the salamanders and other species can cross safely under the road. My favorite thing about salamanders, I just think that they're a fascinating creature. I love how resilient they are. I love that they breathe through their skin, and they're just so adorable. Every time I catch one, I'm just filled with like this childhood joy when I see them.